Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to set the page size in Google Sheets before printing or exporting so you can get it just right. It is super easy, but it is kind of hidden, so let's jump right into it. First, open up your Google Sheet. After that, scroll down a bit and choose Print, or you can just hit Ctrl+P on your keyboard if you want a shortcut. That will open the Print Setup menu. Now on the right-hand side of the screen, you will see a bunch of print options to choose from. Look for the section labeled Paper Size, go ahead and click on it, and you will see options like Letter, A4, A5, Legal, and a few more. Pick the one that suits your needs best. For example, if you are printing on standard printer paper, you can go with A4 or Letter. On the other hand, if you want a smaller sheet, you might choose A5. It all depends on what you are using the spreadsheet for. You can also adjust the orientation right here. Choose portrait or landscape depending on how wide your sheet is. Also, do not forget to check the scale option if your data is too big to fit nicely on one page. Once you have picked your page size and made all your adjustments, just click Next and then either print it out or save it as a PDF. And that is it. You are done. It is super quick and super easy once you know where to look. If this helped, give the video a like, drop a comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.